Alright, so here's another tutorial for the Smart Choices 96 bottle stackable modular wine rack. The difference in the two pieces here, there's only two of these. They are the top pieces. The other ones are the middle pieces. So let's go ahead and quickly put these together. You're going to start with your two long pieces. You're going to go ahead and click and push it into place. You want to push it all the way down, make sure it's secure. Next side, go ahead and repeat the same process. Once you're done with this, you're going to go ahead and complete stacking the rest of the layers. Do it side by side and then on each end. Make sure you click it into place and secure it. What's great about these is they're customizable, so they come as the raw wood. You can either choose to paint it, stain it, or leave it in the raw wood. Now obviously we will this spring go ahead and stain these so that they match our wine room, but this was a super easy solution. It's a great storage for the wine, and it holds 96 bottles. So you can either stack these next to each other, rack by rack, or you can stack them on top of each other and secure them to the wall. I'm choosing to go ahead and stack them side by side just because we like the look and the style of them. Same process, keep going all the way up. We're almost finished. Now let's add it to the wine room and see how it looks. Fabulous!